The Growth Hub is a fully funded, non-commercial service that acts as a single point of contact for businesses to access the wide variety of support that's available to them. So whether they're looking at overcoming a challenge to their business or exploiting an opportunity, then the role of the Growth Hub is to make sure that they get the right support at the right time.
My name's Richard Brown. I'm the CEO of Abbey England Limited, Royal Warrant holders to Her Majesty the Queen, workshop suppliers to the leather industry, supporting manufacturing businesses up and down the UK and around the world. And we're based in Knutsford, Cheshire, basically the home of leatherworking manufacturing.
The Growth Hub was first contacted by Abbey England in 2020 for some support around export, and we were able to engage them with our colleagues at the Department for International Trade, who were able to assist with that. Moving on to more recent times, the support's continued from the Department for International Trade as we've been through the EU transition period, and of course, as many businesses have, the Abbey England experienced the challenges of COVID as well, and we were able to work with our colleagues at Cheshire East Council to identify a £25,000 COVID recovery grant, which the business has been able to invest in online selling, which has given it some new opportunities for sales at a time when face-to-face selling was very difficult.
We've worked with the Growth Hub for many years and have always found them the right way to access help and government finance where possible, and we're very grateful for all of that input from the team. It's an essential part of the local business community. In 2021, life was difficult. We turned to the Growth Hub for inspiration and for help, and again they've looked after us. The peer-to-peer learning was an essential part over the last few years of how we as a team have learnt to manage our own business. Learning from other similar businesses is so essential to the SME market. The Recovery and Growth Grant has been very well received here, an essential part of our saving the business through COVID times and through all the stresses and strains that have happened ever since. It was an essential finance for our rebuilding of our website, where we have now one of the best websites of its kind within the industry, covering our 15,000 product lines with lots of extra information in there, us telling customers how each tool or piece of leather can be used, and also helpful ways of finding information within the industries that we serve. Working with the Growth Hub gives us the opportunity to discuss sustainability for the future of the planet as well as the business. So we will be talking to them about energy reduction, solar panels on the roof, different ways of maintaining our oil-based foundry. If the Growth Hub can help us with that and the future of this business on a sustainable level, then that's very important to us. After all, for our 40th anniversary, we helped provide a forest at Blenheim Palace with the Worshipful Company of Saddlers. So whenever you walk past the Saddlers Copse at Blenheim in future years, remember that it was partly funded from Cheshire.
The Growth Hub's got some very exciting opportunities to continue supporting Abbey England. We have a project ongoing at the moment to digitise some of the products that Abbey England have, to turn them into three-dimensional digital models, which we'll be able to use for marketing and potentially lead the way to some introduction of digital manufacturing technologies in the near future.